Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find sent emails in Outlook, especially if they're not showing up the way they should. This is actually a pretty common issue, and the good news is that it's usually very easy to fix. So whether your sent emails seem missing, delayed, or just hard to find, I'll walk you through everything step by step. Let's jump right in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Outlook. You can type Outlook into Google or go directly to the Outlook website. After entering your credentials, click Next or Sign In to continue. Once you successfully log in, you'll arrive at the Outlook dashboard. This is the main area where you can access your inbox, drafts, calendar, and other email folders. If you're new to Outlook, take a quick moment to look around the interface. Getting familiar with the layout makes it much easier to navigate later. Now let's find your sent emails. On the left-hand side of the Outlook screen, you'll see a list of folders. These usually include inbox, drafts, junk email, deleted items, and sent items. Click on the folder called Sent Items or Sent Mail. This is where Outlook stores all the emails you've successfully sent. Once you open the folder, you should see a list of your recently sent emails. Now, if your sent emails are not appearing, don't panic. There are a few quick things you can try. First, refresh the Outlook page. Sometimes Outlook simply needs to reload the latest messages. On many computers, you can press the F9 key on your keyboard to refresh the mailbox. You can also refresh the browser page manually. After refreshing, check the Sent Items folder again to see if the emails appear. Another thing to check is whether the email was actually sent successfully. If your internet connection disconnected while sending the email, the message might still be sitting in your Drafts folder instead of Sent Items. So make sure to also check the Drafts folder just in case the email was never fully sent. You should also keep your browser and Outlook updated, because outdated versions can sometimes cause syncing or loading issues. And that's it. You now know how to find sent emails in Outlook and fix the issue if they're not showing up properly. Hopefully this tutorial helped make things a little easier and saved you some time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions or other Outlook tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Summary of steps. 1. Open Outlook in your web browser. 2. Sign in to your Outlook account. 3. Go to the left side folder panel. 4. Click Sent Items or Sent Mail. 5. Refresh Outlook if emails are missing. 6. Check the Drafts folder if emails were never sent. 7. Make sure your browser and Outlook are updated. And 8. Reopen the Sent Items folder to confirm the emails are visible.